If you're wondering why I'm up here in the blue sky with the palm trees, it's not because I'm looking for coconuts. No, we're going to do a life insurance policy comparison. And we've done comparisons before where we've compared premiums and cash values and benefit numbers. But today we're going to compare the contracts side by side. I'm 23 feet up in a scissor lift right now. It's a long way down there. And I've got up here with me some life insurance contracts. We're going to see if these contracts will reach from clear up here, 23 feet in the air, all the way down to the ground. Permanent life insurance, everybody knows, is the best kind of life insurance because it should last your whole life. Term insurance is just temporary insurance, and oftentimes, most of the time, it never pays a death benefit at all because it gets too expensive and people never renew the policy. So by the time they die completely uninsured. Permanent life insurance, on the other hand, as long as you're paying your premium, it's got guaranteed amounts that should be there for your whole life. But not all permanent insurance is permanent. It sounds strange, I know. But we've got whole life insurance, which is the oldest type of life insurance. And then we have one of the most popular types of, quote, permanent insurances right now, index universal life insurance. If you've ever heard the phrase, what the big font giveth, the little font taketh away, that's no different in life insurance. The big text might describe your guarantees, but in these contracts, there's a lot of language that describes both guarantees and non-guarantees. What is a non-guarantee? Well, a non-guaranteed is anything that could happen or may be reasonably expected to happen, but is not guaranteed. All that you have in your life insurance policy is whatever is guaranteed for sure. Anything on top of that is just whatever else could happen. Sometimes they'll illustrate it in non-guaranteed values, which are helpful to look at in some ways. But you've got to remember, whenever you're buying permanent life insurance, all you can be sure of is whatever is guaranteed. I'm going to drop down in this scissor lift, and we're going to roll these contracts out on the way up so that we can compare them side by side. And there you have it. Right over here, we've got the whole life insurance policy. It's this one sheet hanging straight down right here. And then these four, all four of them are one index universal life insurance contract. Now, we get index universal life insurance and whole life insurance contracts from people who own them and want a review to know, is it a good policy or a bad policy? So I've read an entire index universal life insurance contract as well, of course, as a whole life insurance contract. There is a lot of words in this contract. I wouldn't say it's a particularly exciting read, but I think definitely somebody who's considering buying either one of them should read and understand the whole contract. If you have a policy that you're thinking about buying or one that you already own and you're not sure which kind of policy it is or if it's a good policy, then make sure you use the link in the description of this video to request your review. We do reviews like this all the time of policies that people send in. This happens to be a policy that somebody sent in. We always protect privacy and redact for privacy as necessary. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure that you post those in the comments. Please hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, of course, and we will see you next time.